Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Realme P1 and removing any case. This prevents damage. Once done, use the ejector pin and push straight to drop the hybrid SIM tray. You need 2 nano SIMs and either a dedicated dual SIM tray or a slim nano plus micro adapter. Otherwise, the phone accepts only 1 SIM and 1 micro SD. Make sure to inspect the tray pins and seating orientation, so both SIM contacts will align properly when reinserted. You now insert the primary SIM into its labeled slot with contacts facing down. Press gently until it nestles. Next, position the second SIM using a thin adapter or a custom dual SIM replacement tray, aligning contacts precisely. Once in place, test fit by pressing lightly along the edge so nothing protrudes. If a SIM lifts, you must reseat or thin the adapter. Finally, slide the tray back slowly, making sure it enters flush and doesn't push either SIM out of alignment. You should boot the phone and immediately open settings to SIM cards and mobile networks. The device will detect both SIMs if seated correctly. Once detected, assign default data and call roles and test with a call and data session. If a SIM is not detected, power down, remove the tray, and reseat or swap the adapter. Sometimes a quick contact clean with a soft cloth fixes poor connection. If issues persist, try a known good dual tray or consult a repair shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.